Hi everybody, we've just completed this JK for a customer, JKU. We've installed the following items. We've got a Rugged Ridge Spartacus front bumper. We've got the Rugged Ridge black D-shackles with the shackle isolators so they don't make any noise. We've installed the Topfire Angry Grill, I think that's what it's called. LED headlights. We've resprayed all 4 fender flares for the customer as they had some scratches on them. We've installed some Cooper 83 tires, 285 70/17, along with American off-road 17-inch wheels. If you look under the fender, we've installed the AEV 2.5-inch dual sport suspension system. If you come around to the back, we've installed the Rugged Ridge LED taillights and the Rugged Ridge Spartacus rear bumper. We've also installed a hitch receiver. And to calibrate the tire sizes, we have used a Super Chips flash cowl module to make sure the speed is correct. And we've also installed some off-road lights for the customer on the front bumper and the windshield. So today we've installed a Rugged Ridge bumper on this Jeep from a Saudi customer, and as well as the Rugged Ridge front bumper, we've installed the premium stage 4 lift kit, AEV coils with Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks with CD adjusters. So he's all set to do some off-roading. We've got a beautiful 2017 Raptor which we've just finished installing Fox shocks, upgraded Fox shocks, Baja design lights, Baja kits, upper control arms, best of the best. The rear shocks as well, bypass. They've got the finned reservoirs to keep them cool. Very nice finish, very clean.